Guys, I was chilling at Tony's house last night after we got home from doing the tires, and he had an an ammo box he had purchased for his project truck, and it was too small. But it looks like this here from Cabela's, and I had an idea maybe it would work in my truck. So let's see if it fits here. I think that should work nicely, guys. That might just be there. Put some cup holders inside of it. But then we got a center console we'll have to rig up. We'll need some bracing up in this area here and some floor. Alright, boys and girls, working on the FJ40. Got my youngest out here with me in the stroller there. And she enjoys being out here on occasion, which is kind of cool. Gives my wife a little bit of a break. But got the tires swapped. We're going to put them back on. I'm just inspecting the brakes. So let's get to it. So the driver's side rear actually looks pretty clean. And I feel like we got a lot of shoe left here. So if we go to the other side, I don't think it's brake fluid though, but it is kind of oily in there all over. I wonder if it's just an axle seal. That I'm not sure, but this side has the darker kind of like everywhere in there. So I'm gonna probably spray some brake clean on there and just see if any of these, I guess, are split. There's nothing fresh leaking here that I can see. It all looks like it's old stuff. So yeah, who knows? Now this should tell us right quick, getting the old grime off. We start seeing new fluid in there because it's not soaking into the dirt. Thing is, I didn't buy enough of these. These are just leftovers. So yeah. So the best thing to do now, let this dry and have a look at the seals, I guess. And we'll go from there. So looking in here, I would say these seals are shot. I feel like that's more what we're supposed to be looking at. Yeah, so this cylinder is done. I would say they're all quite close behind if that's the case. So I would consider I'm going to get the rebuild kit, I guess. Let's take a look at the other side. They're quite okay visually, and there's no leaks happening on this side. But I do know the thing is not going to work long term. It won't hold fluid in the back, so yeah, we'll just put her back together and make her a roller. Well, she was a champ, guys. Out here, no complaining. Got some chats in with the neighbors. She's still having fun, and we got her done. Looks a lot better than those car tires that were on there. You can probably see these are a bit bigger, a little bit better looking, but those also work. And she's took her hat off now. So I couldn't find the frame number, but looking online said it was here. Literally all I saw was this type of corrosion there. It was completely buried. So I'm obviously not going to show you the number, but it's there hiding underneath the front frame rail. So I thought it maybe had been ground down, but at least we have it now. I picked these up. They're Pioneer TSX5, and they are super vintage. They sound super awesome. I can't play them for you because I use the phone hooked up through my stereo, and they just don't make video like that. But I think those are going to the FJ40. I just don't know where guys put them in there. But they're the old school cool. Not quite as cool as a pair of TSX9, but they're cool enough to get the job done. And honestly, sound clarity is amazing for probably what do you say, guys? 40, 50-year-old speakers? Muscle car era? Probably more like 40 years. Well, guys, girls, there we go. We got the tires on here, and now they'll hold air. They're not the best tires, but they'll get the job done to move the truck around on the yard. Next year, I want to get some nice 33-inch, probably BFG tires, some good tread pattern on there just to get the look down right on this, and then we'll get the wheels powder coated white right away. And like I said, they're actually originally were white and someone's painted them black, which works with this truck, but when I get the blue or the seafoam green in here, that'll change things a little bit. So little brake job, a little tire change, short video for you guys, but we'll talk to you later. Have a good one, guys. Get stuff done in your shop. Talk to you later. So for those of you stuck around long enough, we got custom trunk coming in using the sewing machine, and there's some panels that I'm working on. That's about all you're gonna see. If you're on my social media, my Instagram, you've already seen all the updates, but we got a full video series coming on this. I'm thinking it might be our next video, so stay tuned, guys. It's been a lot more work. It started out as a trunk mat project, which turned into a full custom trunk. We're almost there. So keep your eyes peeled, guys. That is coming real soon.